It is difficult to say because you see, we have a bitter experience in the last MP election. In the last MP election, you see, we had an alliance with BJP, and we did bad. See, we fared badly in the election. People are not. We could not convince the people. See. They have some kind of apprehension against BJP, but for us, it's okay. But those villagers, you see, who knows nothing about politics and how the world is changing, how everything is taking place in the world, in different parts of the world. See, they don't know. So they stick to the point, you see. They understood.
So
I cannot say now, but chance is big.
there is a rumor that you may not contest a 2028 election. How far is it true?
That might not be true because I'm intending to contest. If my health allows me, if I can maintain my health as I'm now, then I will contest. But if I am physically unable to contest, then I will contest. I'm sure.
You are contesting.
Because I'm confident that my health will go on like this. There'll be no what is called anything which will weaken my physical strength. I think it will go on like that. So I have not trained anybody because I had trained one who was my MDC before. He was born and brought up in my own constituency, Resubelpara. But unfortunately, he was defeated in the last MDC election, and he parted from me. Me.
What is his name, sir?
Huh?
What is his name, sir?
Shukaram Kesamma. Now he belongs to BJP. So I have no more a trained person now to take up the politics after me. But however, I have selected one a young candidate to be MDC. I'll try my best to train him to succeed me.